Hey everyone! Have you ever wanted to level up your SQL skills and dive deeper into the magic of databases? Well, buckle up, because today we're unlocking the power of SQL subqueries. First off, what exactly is a subquery? Imagine it as a query within a query, a bit like those Russian nesting dolls. A subquery allows you to perform operations that usually require multiple queries, all in one go. This not only makes your database queries more efficient, but also keeps them clean and organized. Now, why are subqueries so critical? They're like the Swiss Army knife of SQL. Need to filter results based on an aggregate condition? Subquery. Want to compare data within the same table? Subquery. They give you the power to handle complex data manipulation tasks with precision. Let's dive into some examples. Starting with the select clause. Say you want to find out the names of employees who earn more than the average salary in their department. You could use a subquery to first calculate the average salary per department and then use that in your main query to filter out the high earners. Cool, right? Moving on to the where clause. Subqueries here can help you filter data more dynamically. For instance, if you wanted to find products that are priced higher than the average price of products in their category, a subquery can first find that average price and then use it in the where clause to filter the main query. It's all about making your data work for you. Lastly, subqueries in the from clause. These are especially powerful because they let you treat complex queries as if they were simple tables. Imagine you need a summary of sales data before performing another operation on it. You can create a subquery that prepares this summarized data, then use it as a regular table in your main query. But just a word of caution, while subqueries are powerful, they need to be used wisely. Overusing them can actually slow down your queries, so always check if there's a more efficient way to achieve the same result. All right, folks, that's a wrap on SQL subqueries. If you enjoyed this dive into the depths of SQL and found it helpful, smash that like button, drop your questions or experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep querying and keep learning.